Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top solo ad vendor and what kind of results he can actually give you. And if you're interested in that, then you can check out the link in the description or hit that subscribe button more than anything else and the bell notification so you get access to the ever updating affiliate marketing videos that I put out every single Monday, guys. And today we're going to talk about solo ads. Now, I've done an in-depth training on solo ads and how solo ads can actually be beneficial for you if you have the consistency of focusing on what you want. Okay, so solo ads, there are a couple of ways that you can maneuver around it. Okay, there's a lot of I don't want to use any bad language here, but there are a lot of solo ads that are not good, and it's really important that I do make videos and give you guys reasons to when you do find solo ad vendors that actually make a difference. Okay, so I personally have I'm going to show you guys one couple of reasons why this is this solo ad vendor is what I'm going to be talking about. But just to let you guys know, I do have a link in the description for him. So in case you do want to buy solo ads at any point of time, there's a link in the description which you can click on and you can buy solo ads and test it out yourself. Okay, obviously know that nothing is guaranteed. The only thing that you can guarantee with solo ads is the fact that you're purchasing clicks. So as long as you're getting clicks, it's okay. Whether you get opt-ins or whether you get sales, it really doesn't depend on the solo ad vendor. It depends on your funnel. It depends on your process. Now, obviously, if you do have a good process and you do have buyers there, then you will know that the people, the quality traffic is where you need to focus on. And that's one of the things that I actually spoke about in my solo ad training. Okay. In fact, guys, you know what I'll do? I'll link the solo ad training in the description for you guys so you can watch it again, just in case you want to learn what I'm talking about in terms of what to look for with solo ad vendors. Okay, so it's very important to know what to look for. If you're looking for the wrong thing with solo ad vendors, if you're looking just for cheap traffic, then that doesn't mean that you're going to get the quality that is going to make these sales for you that you can see on the screen. Okay, now all these sales that I have personally got on, and let me just actually show you guys all these sales that I've got in the last I don't know how long. But yeah, this is the pending sales that I have at the moment, right? These are all sales that I made in the last month. I made from the funnel itself, I think the total amount of 458. Oh, actually, so I have made more than, yeah, so I made 458 basically in commissions from this one traffic source. Okay, so I use just this traffic source for this funnel, and this is how I know I'm guaranteed that these results. So I made over $400 with this traffic source. Okay, with the solo ad vendor. So there are buyers on the solo ad vendors. There are buyers that actually can help you generate commissions. And when you find a traffic source like that, this is why I'm sharing it with you, because when you find a traffic source like that, there's a reason behind it. Okay, it means firstly, the solo ad vendor has quality traffic. Secondly, they're very accessible. Thirdly, they don't reach out to you. If you have any solo ad vendor who's reaching out to you guys and saying, here is what I have to offer you, then they're not really solo ad vendors, because you have to think about it. What are solo ad vendors? They are traffic generation experts. Okay, they are focusing on getting traffic. If somebody approaches you and tells you, hey, I want to sell you some solo ads, then most of the time they're just buying solo ads from somebody else and they're not really selling you what they have to offer. Their list is saturated. Okay, I'm just giving you guys these tips because they're warning signs. Okay, they're warning signs that I want to share with you. But more than anything else, if you want to learn these things, I'll have, as I said, 2 links in the description. Actually, let's go ahead and actually put 2 links in the description, right? One is going to be to the OLSP system. Now, let me just show you very clearly what the OLSP system is. Now, you can also earn money from this. Don't get me wrong. You can also earn money from this system. But the OLSP system is basically by Wayne Crow. He does sell solo ads. Okay, this is my #1 traffic source, guys. Traffic domination is my #1 traffic source. And multiple 6-figure, 7-figure, 8-figure earners have been buying traffic from him. He's a solid vendor, and his clicks start from 900, and what is available 5,000 is 3,750. That's what is available here. Anything more than 5,000 clicks, you need to get in touch with him, because obviously it's going to give you a special price. But if you are like me and you're just getting started on a budget, $90 is quite nice to have 400 clicks. Okay. It's a decent quality traffic, and you have buyers on this traffic as well. Okay. Just this tier 1 traffic from $90 clicks. I personally have shown you guys that because I'm only buying $90 clicks right now. And you guys can see that basically I'm pending 366 in commissions. I've made sales of 458 already from the system just with these $100 clicks. Okay, so I'm just purchasing this. Every time I have $100, I purchase this clicks, and then I get sales and sales and sales. And this can continue to grow. Okay, guys, let me just check my audio settings. I just want to make sure that everything's okay, but I think it is. Yeah. Whenever you have the $100 and you keep buying and you keep sorry $90 and you keep buying the traffic, this after some time becomes a habitual thing. And your funnel, if it's a good funnel like I do have, okay, it's easier for you to get those conversions. Okay, but even if you don't have a good funnel, I'm actually going to give you guys access to some free training for you. Actually, even if you want to earn a commission of free $20, then this training is going to be helpful. Let's give that as a bonus as well. So let's do this. Okay, you're going to have 3 links in the description, guys. You're going to have one link to traffic solo ads OLSP system, which is basically the solo ads if you want to buy them, if you want to test them out. Secondly, you'll have a link in the description to the OLSP system. Okay, and third, you will have a way, if you finish this boot camp right here, to earn $20 in commissions. Let me repeat that. If you just finish this boot camp right here, you will get free $20. You don't need to do anything else, but just finish that boot camp. Okay, it's just a series of videos. You watch through it, you get a little bit of knowledge on training. Now, one of the reasons why I personally like Wayne as a solo ad vendor is because of the system that he has in place. Now, what is the system that he has in place? So Traffic Domination, what he's done is he's created a training space. Now, this is the best training space that I have personally seen compared to any of these, 100% commission offers that are there and so on and so forth. This is literally one of the best trainings that I've seen, and it keeps changing because we keep adding new things to it based on weekly trainings that he does. Now, he has to keep up to date with it because he is a traffic vendor himself, so he needs to keep up to date with it. But the idea here is that you basically can generate commissions. I've generated over $70 in commissions, as you guys can see. Okay, so if I go to my dashboard, just to give you guys an idea, I never promoted this. Okay, I literally never promoted this to anything. It's just part of the Super Funnel Hero, which I have linked in the description. OLSP is the traffic vendor that I use to send traffic to the Super Funnel. And when people follow that same strategy, obviously I'm getting commission on that. So I'm earning commissions, and this is something that I'm not promoting, but I'm earning over here as well. So it's a second revenue stream that I have within one free funnel. I have 2 revenue streams for free. How cool is that? The reason why I'm saying this here is that in the bootcamp, not only will you get $20 directly, okay, not only will you get $20 directly, but it takes you through the whole setup of what you actually need to succeed in affiliate marketing and making money online in general. So what is affiliate marketing? How do you can actually check your commissions? How can you start to generate traffic? You can earn through YouTube. There are so many products and services here, guys, that you can actually generate not only commissions yourself, but at the same time, you're learning about this space. So when somebody is ready to share their knowledge with you through the system, and if you, all you need to do if you want to buy traffic is just literally go to traffic and buy traffic. So if I go to traffic toolbox right here, okay, and I go to the products, for example, and I go to buy traffic, voila, I will be taking here, and you guys can see that I've been ordering traffic since September. Traffic, since every single time I have $100 clicks. Okay, so I will keep buying traffic through the system, and this is my #1 system, guys. So if that's something that interests you, like I said, I've linked the solo ad training below. You can check that out, and you can come back to this video if you want to test out Wayne Crow's solo ads and see whether that actually makes sense for you. But I just want to put that out there that it is my only top quality, high quality vendor source for solo ads, because as I said, I'm getting buyers and sales on each, pretty much each and every solo ad buy that I have. Now I know those are bonuses because the funnel is set up well. So I do get sales. So you might not get sales in every traffic purchase, but my follow-up also I get sales. Therefore, I know that there are buyers on this list. I know there are people, there are real people, they're high quality people who are interested in learning the skill set of making money online. Simple. That's the main goal. That's when you know you have the best solo ad source. Okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up, the bell notification, and the subscribe button if you're interested in these kind of videos. And I'm going to be seeing you guys on the next video, which is on Monday. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.